Okay, the final video before I start smashing the deck down. So I've taped everything off with deck tape. I've watched quite a few videos on YouTube, and not a lot of people seem to use this tape. Well, I think there's maybe 100 meters of tape. Takes an hour. It's got to extend the life of the joists. I don't know, double the life. I mean, they're just so protected. You can see the ones that weren't covered up were the ones I've replaced. So anyway, they were down 20 years, but it's got to help. And I've seen pros, as they call themselves, get a couple of rattle cans in black and spray the top of the joists so that you can't see the light coloured wood through a dark deck, through the spaces. Well, it's worth the money just to, so you've got that, a black joist, because we're laying a grey deck here, so it's worth the money. What is it, $100? Worth the money, just so you don't see the colour of the joist poking through the gaps, the light colour. So yeah, don't understand why I haven't seen it more. They call it a deck tape. It's actually rubber, a couple of mil rubber. The edges point down, so it's almost wraps around the edge of the joist. So yeah, a little bit of effort, but it's definitely going to extend the life of the joist for sure. The bearers, they've been down 20 years. They're just immaculate still, like they've gone down yesterday. So otherwise I would have put the tape on top of those as well, but I've run out. So there you go, deck tape. Smash it on if you're a client paying for a deck, which they're not cheap, as we know. Tell them you want deck tape put down on the joists. It's part of the deal. It's definitely worth doing, even if it's only just for the colour between the gaps in your deck. All right, cheers.